Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we are going to unbox a Tecno's latest smartphone called the Tecno Camon iSky. And this is the box for the Tecno Camon i. Now before we go ahead and unbox it, let's check what the box has to say about the phone. So the first thing that we did notice is that it has a 13 megapixel rear camera, 16 GB of ROM and 2 GB of RAM. That is probably what Tecno wants to highlight about the Camon iSky. This device also has a 100-day replacement warranty. It also comes with 1 year, like a one-time screen replacement and 1 month extended warranty, which means that you get 13 months of warranty on the Tecno Camon iSky. Let's quickly turn the box around and take a look at the specifications. Some of the highlights are 8 megapixel front camera, 13 megapixel rear camera with dual flash, a 5.45 inch full view display. It does have Face ID, Android 8.1 audio, 4G VoLT and the fingerprint sensor. So there are very few things about the phone that is printed on the box. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. This is the first thing that you see in the box. Now, but it looks like it's a safety sticker that's there on the phone. You quickly take that off. The phone does come with a pre-applied screen protector, and well, we'll keep the phone to boot. It does feel light, so we'll keep the phone aside while it boots, and let's check what else do you get in the box. Box aside. So like I mentioned, from the box it has 12 months plus 1 month warranty, so you get 13 months of warranty. There's a leaflet which probably has a quick starter guide and a user manual. Now this is what you get in the box. You get a tiny case for the phone. It's a TPU plastic case. Keep it aside. The phone's ready for setup. Let's check what else in the box. So here we have the supplied charger, which is rated at 5 volts and 1.2 amps. So this is a little lower than what we generally get. And you get a micro USB cable in the box. As you can see, this has the SIM ejector tool, which we will keep aside. And you get in-ear headphones in the box. Quickly take a look at those as well. So let's get all of them aside. So get the charger, 5 volt 1 amp, micro USB cable, in-ear headphones, a TPU case, a SIM ejector tool, couple of documents, and that's about it. As you can see, the phone runs on iOS, so that is Tecno's custom UI skin, and just skip ahead so that we can see what the phone looks like, what the UI is like, and have our first look with the device. And then see, it has the fingerprint sensor at the back. We'll remove the sticker that it comes with. So this is the Tecno Camon iSky, as you can see. So if we have to talk about specifications, it has a 5.45 inch display, and this is the full view display, like that is what Tecno calls it, IPS display, with a screen to body ratio of 81%. And the phone is fairly light, and we can see that well, Tecno says that it weighs 137 grams, and it does feel light in the hand. And it's primarily made out of plastic, so that might be the reason why the weight is down. Now the first thing you will notice is the camera module. Like, it looks like a dual camera setup, but in fact it is a single 13 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash. This is where the fingerprint sensor is mounted, right above the Tecno branding. It has a loudspeaker at the back and a tiny tab to keep it slightly higher when placed on the table. So the back cover isn't removable, so it does look like you have a battery that's sealed in. Now those curious, this has a 3050 milliamp hour battery. We'll quickly go ahead, set up a fingerprint on it and check what the device has to offer. Set up the sensor. Now as you can see, the phone does ask for a Tecno Mobile or a Tecno Sport account. If you have it, you can log in. We kind of choose to skip ahead with the process. Now since the battery is non-removable, it does tell you that you are not allowed to remove the battery forcibly. At the same time, if your phone freezes, you can long press the power button for 8 seconds to restart the phone. Now, this is our first look at iOS. Now this is how the UI looks like. Let's quickly go ahead, show you the version number. Now this screen has quite a lot of information about the Tecno Camon iSky. As you can see, it has 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of inbuilt storage, an 8 megapixel selfie camera with an LED flash, 13 megapixel primary camera with dual LED flash, and this thing has a new processor. So the iSky is powered by a MediaTek 6739 processor, which is a quad-core processor that's clocked at 1.28 GHz. As we said before, it has a 3050 mAh battery and it has a display resolution of 960 by 480 pixels. As you can see, the device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and it has the February security patch on board. So while we're at it, let's go ahead and check the SIM configuration on the Tecno Camon iSky. So from the looks of it, yes, it is a dual SIM device. And as you can see, it has 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot, so storage is expandable without sacrificing the second SIM card. So overall, to summarize, this is the Tecno Camon iSky. It is priced at 7,990 rupees and has a market operating price of 7,499. And the device is available in 2 colors, midnight black and champagne gold. The one you are seeing currently is the champagne gold variant. It is a dual SIM device and has 2 nano SIMs along with a dedicated micro SD card slot. There is a fingerprint scanner at the back and a single 13 megapixel camera with a dual LED flash, and has an 8 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash on the front. The device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and has Tecno's custom iOS UI on top. And that was a quick unboxing of the Tecno Camon iSky. What do you think about the device? Do let us know in the comments below. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.